number of friends mentioned that this book was entirely in my alley. This book is for you. My first trip to China, I had dinner with Jean and his wife, and I saw the very place where his yacht was built. I saw the place where he captured the little wolf. We talked about the costume, we looked at a lot of pictures together, we went to the museum together. When I started the screenplay, I felt extraordinarily well prepared.
In the past several years, I've concentrated more on working with wolves. As you saw today, sometimes they're very time-consuming, sometimes they're difficult to work with. But if you have the perseverance in that, you can get experience and work.
Horses, jump on horses, but not bite them. That took 2 years.
Raise them a certain way, however we saw fit to raise them, but to keep that wildness about them. It wasn't a huge gamble, but it was a bit of a gamble because no one's done that before. Nobody in Hollywood was making movies the way they're making movies.
Wild, and I wanted